The original jack mount on this trailer was missing. After all, it was built in 1955 and I was restoring the trailer. So the first thing I had to do was straighten the steel and get it back into shape. Since I planned on welding the new jack in permanently, I wanted a good solid base to start with. I can cut off some and that would give me the right amount. I just have to mark it and then cut it. It'll fit right in there. Or I can do it right behind it. I'd rather not do that. I'd rather just, if I cut off that side completely, then it leaves it too far to this side. But if I put it like that, actually, I think the design is like that. So if we do that, slice it here, it'll fit right down in there perfect. It'll give me something to weld against. I can weld against this. So let me sand that stuff a little bit. Once I knew exactly where the jack was going, I started cleaning everything back to bare metal. When you're welding new steel onto an older trailer like this, getting both surfaces clean is important if you want a good solid weld. The mounting plate wasn't going to fit the way I wanted it to, so I marked what needed to come off of both sides of the plate. This removes the original bolt holes, but that doesn't matter for this installation because I'm welding the jack permanently into place. There was quite a bit of test fitting and grinding to get everything sitting exactly where I wanted it. I'm fitting a brand new steel into an older trailer that has already been repaired and modified. So getting a tight fit takes a little more work than just bolting a jack onto a new A-frame. Once everything fit properly, I welded the jack directly into the trailer frame. I went this route because I wanted this installation permanent, and the jack itself to feel heavy enough and well built enough that I was comfortable making it permanent part of the trailer. One reason I was comfortable welding this jack on permanently is the thickness of the mounting plate. It's heavier than some of the trailer jacks I've used before, and the whole assembly feels solid enough that I don't expect to be replacing it anytime soon. This was the real test. I cranked up the trailer until the coupler was completely clear of the truck. The jack handled the tongue weight without any problem, and the top wind handle gave me plenty of leverage without feeling like I was fighting it. What I also liked here was how stable the jack felt with the full tongue weight of the trailer was on it. There wasn't any flex or movement that concerned me, and the rectangular foot pad gave it a good solid base while I raised the trailer completely off the hitch. After that, I ran the jack back up to check the travel and make sure everything operated smoothly. Then I backed the truck underneath and lowered the trailer right back onto the hitch. After actually lifting and supporting the trailer with it, I was happy with both the operation of the jack and how solid the installation felt. For my trailer, this turned out exactly the way I wanted it. Simple, solid, and permanently mounted.